all.
Please.
Yeah, first, I wish to thanks NIQR. We have to take the project of payment automation through worst to worst. My team, firstly, my team is Team Believers. Myself, Satish. My colleagues is you, Satya. I have to discuss. So this is our company, Vistan Automotive. We have the Cookpit Electronics product in market. This is our plant. We have two or five plants in India. One is Bangalore, in Chennai, Pune, and Goa plant has been established in last year. Next one. Yes, we have utilized the DMAC analysis for this project. This is our flowchart of the accounts payable process. We have to address a painful area which is marked for red star. We have to address this. This is our problem in our payment processing to enter on time. The first problem is no more added headcount. The second one is 85% payment is on time. We have to improve this. At that time, it's a payment cycle time process. It's taken time of 10-30 hours. We have to reduce. It's a business linkage. It's help to business achieving the cost efficiency, but no added manpower. And second thing is avoid internal customer line shutdown and customer rating due to shipment delay and payment delay. So this ball here, this picture, the ball is considering payment. This goal is vendor. The payment has been directly reached to supplier, but due to some reason it will be delayed. So we have to address it. Yes, every problem is one solution, but we need to find it. Yes, this is a business cost. Complaining reason doing the project. Added share services without additional headcount, we have previously mentioned, to improve on-time supplier payment to 85% from 85% to 98%, and reducing supplier queries and escalations. Although some mail we are getting the mails per day on 70, but we need to reduce 70 to 18. So improve cycle time process payment time to 10:30 hours to 5:30 hours to embrace latest technology available in banking field. Yes, I give to Mr. Satya. He will be presented.
Yeah, we have received lot of queries from suppliers for on-time payment got not on time. So we measure and we track the approval for delay payments, and we take the list of suppliers having check mode and RTGS mode. If check mode means the supplier while cutting the check, supplier will deposit in bank, and it takes 2 or 3 days to deposit in supplier account. So we improve to all the suppliers got to RTGS setup in our system, and we take the whole payable process for this process. And we receive the queries from supplier and escalation mails to global level for Visteon has not paid on time. So we measured and improved our process. And we fixed the target to 6. Currently we are using 10.33 hours per week for making payment. I fixed the target for 6 hours per week, and in the same head count. Before April 2018, we have only Visteon Electronics only. We have payments. After 2018 April, we have included the Visteon Technical for 4 entities we have, and fixed the payment for 85% to 98% for target.
Yes, thanks, Satya. We are using fishbone analysis here. We have first we have to fix the issues is a which category is a man or a method or a machine or a which is a one is cash planning. Supplier does not presenting in a bank. If it is not supplier is check presented in bank, we have two first issues, and then if it's not presented in bank, it is open item in bank reconciliation statement. So that is remittance advice not reaching to supplier is on time. If it is check, we have to send to bank and they will be sent to courier and it will be delayed to supplier, increasing invoices due to shared services. So third one, fourth one is internal and global escalation. We have got it. Vendor queries and vendor calls, line down and line shipment hold. So second one is a man side availability on time. So authorization is not available, but we have made the payment and uploading the bank portal, but the authorization is not available. Due to not authorization not availability, payment will be delayed to reach supplier. Shortage of resource, bank queries and check payment advice. POD tracking it will be shared by us to suppliers. Is a mission side is a network issues as a supplier setup is not done in ERP properly. So multiple menus we are using in ERP system for check cutting or payment. So environment are attaching invoice in bank portal. We are using the imports payments. We have to download the invoices and merging and uploading the portal to make the payment. Check printing in bank. So supplier address with the payment address we have to send to bank. They will be dispatched. It's on-time payment. We have analyzing our delay timing. First we have to payment file preparation is taking 3 hours. Disbursement is 3 hours. Is a payment file audited 0.33 hours. It's a bank file preparation is 4 hours. It's authorization delay due to authorization availability. So now first we are analyzing this our area issues. Then we have addressed our issue. Then how to find it? First we have conduct SWT, self-directed work team. Next we have workshop is using VSM. It's called value stream mapping. We have captured our present process and future process in VSM tool. Is a one of slide is a SWT meeting and the calendar also is side. It's a VSM tool. We are using the current states and future states and time also capturing here. It's an improvement. We have worked SWTT and VSM team, VSM tools. We have identified the disbursement field and bank field and authorization field. We have to working areas. This is our improvement. It's based on SWT and VSM and fishbone analysis. We have improvement. We are made a check payment in September 2018 as a more than 70. But now we are done only one. Yes, this is our improvements. We are reducing our hours. It will be addressed in red color star. So reduce 2 hours from 3 hours. It's a bank file is reducing from 3 hours to 60 minutes, 1 hour. Authorization is skipped. So authorization is not required for host process. It's a before improvement. This is a flow chart. So once a payment file generation and we are uploading the bank file, it's a first level authorization and second level authorization. If it is RTCS, it will be directly go to supplier. It will be check mode. We will be send the payment advice and address to bank. They will be courier and they will be share the POD tracking and we will be share to supplier. So then only we will reach it to supplier. So now, yes, next. We are reducing is the all areas. Now we are using only file generated in ERP. It will be automatically it will be reached to FTP via to bank portal. Is a payment executed with the remittance advice. Is our improvement. Yes, next. Say control is a we are controlling. So file a report from host to host. We are getting through email. Weekly review with our bank and ERP team if you have any issues in the current process. So automation of payment advice and remittance it will be reached. So before is after authorization approval in bank. Now we are not required. So vendor code setup done in not done properly. Now we have verification the vendor code at the time of vendor code creation. Third one is check payment to vendor. Now we don't use the check payment. It's a fourth one effects in bank reconciliation statement. Now no affected in bank reconciliation statement. Previously we have had a payment delay in vendor, now is a on-time reached to vendor. It's a presentation and enrollment team members. We are getting previously. Yes. We are getting support from our global treasury team, and our ERP is our using the QOD team, is a development team. It's a bank involved for ICICI and HDFC. Say ICICI is a domestic payment. We are using, Bank of America is overseas payment, and our internal team is accounts payable team. This is our key to success. Yes, we have utilized the tools of DMAC, VSM, fishbone analysis, ERP, and modification in bank portals. We would like to this slide, replicate. Next. Next. Yes, this is a result. Is a March we are counting is a 4,173 invoices through manual mode. Now we are August 6,174 invoices processing through host to host without without head count additional. Yes, based on result we need to replicate in our other entities. So Chennai, Pune, Bangalore and Goa. Thanks.
It is a service, this one, not from the manufacturing, different from manufacturing. It's a good one. I have one or two things. You have a ERP solution. First of all, you mentioned that itself in such cases, the biggest point is when we have the number of suppliers, that portals should be cleanly written. Do you have a supplier portal?
ERP tools.
Yeah.
Yes.
But you have a supplier portal.
Yes.
If that is correct.
But we don't give to access, sir. We have the supplier portal, but we did not give the access to for all suppliers.
You are not giving the access to the all suppliers.
Yes. We started to give that.
No, there are a few things we have also implemented this one. That's why I wanted to share with you. From check, nobody is going with checks nowadays. Yes. I think no company is going. You have gone to RTGS.
No, we are using in other entities. It's a Chennai. In Vista and Technical, we are using check mode. Nowadays we are using the check mode. It's a manual check.
No, that is too old. You will yes. go
yes.
next
now
project will come with
implemented
that one. Yeah.
But now we are using in other entity in manual check.
There is still I think there may be a lot of scope for improvement, because this is a process where more automation can be done.
Yes.
If your one bill is there, one supplier portal, if the claims they clear there, but your order is there, the bill is there. It is a matching you are doing. What you are doing is whether the bill and this one is matching, whether the taxes are properly cleared. And
this is GST portion.
If you are able to make it, verify it correctly automatically, which you will be able to do it next project, surely you will complete to that one. I think you will come to that one.
Now we have started.
Then most of the payments, no manual intervention may be necessary.
Yes.
Out of 300 processing you are doing checks or whatever maybe that, at least 200 can go without any of the manual, unless there is a difference in view with the value or tax or some other, we would not have received your GST, this one in the excise document. Such things only will get into problem. Otherwise, I still feel you have done a very good job, but this is a starting.
Yes.
I think we should be able to do what we are talking about, artificial intelligence and all these things in the 4.0. The most important area where we can do such things is only in where there is no measurement or manufacturing or anything. The two data should be correct and they should be made correct, and we should do it without much intervention. It's only an observation what I mean. I think the project has been done very well. I think.
Which you says we are starting in our other plant,
Mm.
but now we are not started, but we are in trial basics. So once is a supplier generated the invoices, is our tool is capture the supplier name and the PO terms and the invoice amount. It will be matched. It will be automatically payment is gone to supplier as per due date. We need to implement in our entity.
Yeah, there are.
Future.
Yeah.
Yes.
The
But we are using the tool in other entities. Is Palmela or somewhere. But
Okay.
we need to try.
There are, I think I use Oracle and I have been having a supplier portal which is we are able to get into easily, and most of the payments are without much manual intervention, which is possible. I
In
think
Oracle.
Oracle 11i.
Using QD.
Maybe I didn't ask you because I don't know whether you didn't tell that I didn't want to ask you. But this can be done.
Yeah.
You have done, the project is good. Okay?
Okay.
Of course, mine is some simple question.
Yes.
This 85% you said,
Yes.
the current level at that time, now you improve to 98, the
98.
target.
Yes, sir.
But where is the data, whether you have achieved 98 or not? I don't see any.
Actually, sir, I missed to add this.
And then this 85 also, is it on-time payment or 85% of the suppliers? What is that
It's
definition?
on-time payment, sir. 85%
On-time
is,
pay.
yes, 85% is on time.
And what is the time you give between the what you receive and then what you make the payment? Time lag. You receive something, then you have to make the payment. So
It's based
there,
on due date, sir.
as per
As per
whatever
PO
you agree in
As
the
per
invoice.
Yes.
Okay.
Some supplier having 90 days, 75 days.
Because now you got into this online payment, all that, you could have put it also 100%. That's why the data is not there. So whether you have achieved 98 or less or more, that is not clear actually.
Yes, now
Then
we have
any
achieved-
other savings you got? Now the one improvement is the number of
RTGS
invoices processing. There is significantly it has gone up.
One thing.
That's one good thing.
Second one is check count is reducing from 82 to 1. And third one is time is reducing to 10.33 hours to 5.33 hours.
Okay. Any saving on the manpower side?
Yes, sir. We are.
You have shown only 7 and 7.
Yes, sir. Head count is 7. Without the additional manpower, we are
We have 4 entities included.
Earlier.
staff services.
4 entities you have included.
Yes, included with the same manpower.
Okay. Thank you. Ashok Lalan,
Yes, sir.
please. Foundry division.